Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Let's Dance on bass. Let's dive right into the main groove. The song is in the key of D major, and the core bass line is a 4-bar phrase. You'll primarily be playing root notes like D, G, A, and B, maintaining a steady 8th note rhythm. Focus on a consistent feel to really drive the track forward. This foundational pattern sets the stage for the entire song. Moving into the verse, the bass line becomes a bit simpler, often emphasizing sustained root notes to support the vocals. As we approach the pre-chorus, you'll notice a subtle buildup in tension. Here, the bass line adopts more of a walking feel, creating anticipation for the chorus. Pay close attention to these rhythmic and dynamic shifts to capture the song's evolving energy. The chorus brings a more active and melodic bass line, adding to the song's infectious energy. Then, the bridge introduces a distinct rhythmic and harmonic shift, providing a refreshing contrast. It's crucial to practice the transitions between these sections to ensure a seamless flow. Aim for clear articulation and a punchy sound to make your bass line stand out in these dynamic parts. To truly master Let's Dance, consider whether you prefer a pick or fingerstyle for your desired tone. Practicing with a metronome is essential to lock in that iconic groove and maintain consistent timing. Listen intently to the original recording to catch all the subtle nuances. Focus on clear note articulation and a steady rhythm to deliver a confident and impactful performance every time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.